going. All right. Welcome back, guys. If you like what you see, leave a follow. If you miss it, go hit up YouTube. You'll see everything there. We're gonna try to survive the horrors of the forest and try to get off this island. But it might be at least another session before we actually can achieve that. So we'll see what happens. We will see. But now at least we can go to the residential bunker, which will be nice. How much ammo do I have? Not a lot. Not a lot. Got a lot of 9mm ammo.
I'm just gonna look it up because I can't remember. And
It's probably Tap X.
I did do that.
You might not have ammo.
No, it just did it.
I'm just good like that. What can I say?
It's always like that. Like it doesn't
I
work
know.
if
I
you
know.
say it or you.
I know. I speak it into existence.
Okay. How do I shoot it? Eh? The trigger.
Oh
Okay,
my gosh. Yeah.
I had to. You
Oh
had
my
to
god.
help me load the gun again because.
Oh my god.
Joe Schmo.
Yeah, Joe's chilling.
That movie we just watched.
Oh, don't forget, you have a canteen now.
Let me see. Where is that thing at? Where is the candy? Don't remember where it is.
Are we hungry?
I'm not, but I can't. I'm trying to figure out where the canteen is in my bag. There it is. I think it's full of water. Yeah. If it's all the way blue.
Yes.
And we have a guest key card and a maintenance key card.
Yeah, we've been using the maintenance key card. Joe, I just want you to be... I want you to maintain base.
What is it? Combine these.
Do you have any food on me? No. Nothing good.
Oh, because those are already made.
Oh, we got a lot of rabbits now. Nice. Hey. Oh, I thought that was a cannibal that made it to our camp. It's just raccoon. Oh, ow. The freaking,
The fire.
the standing torches burn you. Yeah, you just caught yourself on fire too. I didn't know that.
I don't know that either. Ah!
Tell me about it. Oh, we have plenty of... Well, it's becoming nighttime. So we gotta kind of wait before we can make it up to that residential bunker. But that's the next place we gotta go. We got the key card for it now, thankfully. So we're not gonna have to backtrack. But
This raccoon just went through the wall.
yeah, he's probably God or something, playing tricks on you.
Just disappeared through the wall.
Yeah.
'Cause
Like I
was
said.
gonna shoot it.
Like I said, he's probably God or something, playing tricks on you or You never know. Yeah, yeah, he's posting up now. You better be careful. This smite you. He'll bring like hellfire down on you or something.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much. That's how that goes.
Mm.
Whoa! Oh my god, you
What
didn't see
happened?
that?
No.
I'm gonna have to clip that bad boy. The
What?
turtle shell exploded and launched two raccoons in the air. You see him? There's one right there.
Yeah. I'm skinning it.
Same.
I was just thinking about getting more turtle shells.
I
We gotta
guess
go to
he's
the
not
beach.
God.
Yes, after that.
I guess he's not God.
They got smoked.
Yeah. They met God. That's for sure.
I think we're gonna figure out how to use these light bulbs.
I never really messed with it. Um, I'm sure you hook it up to you make a battery,
I have.
and we got a whole bunch of light bulbs. I know that for sure.
What's a repair tool?
We might have not come across that yet. Oh, I think no,
What do you make?
you could craft it, I think.
Hmm.
Oh, you know what we should have done? We should have gone to the beach and got more batteries because I am so low on batteries.
Let's go do that and find more turtle shells before we go on our thing.
Well, it's almost dark and it's spooky out there.
I mean, in the next day.
Oh, okay. We could do that. It's spoopy.
Oysters. Nasty. I have a bunch of bombs.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
That makes me kind of afraid. More afraid of you than
Hey, if you want to
than the
act that way,
cannibals.
you get blown up on purpose.
Please.
Hmm.
Please. I'm just a lad. Just a lad trying to survive.
Are you though? Because you're not being nice to the person with the bombs.
Yes.
Maybe I can't make that. Okay.
I could have swore I had a turtle shell, but I guess not. I think it's
I
fall
used
time,
mine
so
with
it's
those
about
things.
to become you know,
What do we?
about to become winter.
What is it that we need to melt the water to drink it? There's something in our like map thing that
It's
we can
a
make.
cooking pot.
We have those. We just put it on top of the fire.
Yes. You
We
collect
leave it out.
water.
We leave it out to collect water.
I think you like equip it. Let's see. Where's the fire at? You start a fire?
In there?
Let's start this fire.
Are you starting it, or you still need it?
Oh, yeah, I got a little fire right here.
Okay,
So
that was fast.
think, yeah, you can put your cooking pot on top of it like that, and it should be filled with water. Oh no, Joe! Please, Joe! Don't stand on top of it! Oh my god, he went down.
Should I make another fire for the other pot?
Well, we don't need to fill it up right now. We got canteens.
Okay.
So I think we'll be alright. I think we'll be okay.
I'm not. I don't want it to be winter again.
Not me either. It's kind of hell to drive in. Alright, you ready?
Mhm.
I'm gonna go ahead and save.
Okay.
Because we got all our food and, well, I need to drink more water, but
Let me make sure I do this the right way.
Yeah.
Before I press X again, and then and then
Yeah.
and
Pick
we
it up.
pick the bed up.
Ah! Oh, I got my cooking pot equipped.
I put my gun away.
Hey! Hey!
Are they in the camp?
Yeah, they
They're
oh,
always in the fucking camp.
well, a lot of they got killed by a lot of traps, not gonna lie. Oh, you saw that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
That was
traps
really
pretty
neat.
good. Not gonna lie. Traps are
Like
pretty
flung him
good.
up in the air.
Yeah. He's like on a
Very
pike
aerial again.
he's being buried alive.
Oh no. I got
Or no, burned alive, my bad. What? How'd you catch on? Oh,
I don't know.
it's the. I know what got you.
What?
That owl scared the fuck out of me. Um,
Owls now?
it was a bird at night. That's what I saw.
Hmm.
But yeah, these traps are pretty good. Not gonna lie. Not
Sure.
gonna lie.
I want to put more torches out by like the front of the gate so we can see them coming in.
I'll probably honestly destroy them.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I guess they do that.
Yeah. I'll probably honestly destroy them, but you could try. I mean,
Well, I could put them over here where the traps are so they get killed first before they could get to it.
yeah.
I just want to be able to see. I don't like not being able to see at night.
That's the whole aesthetic. Well, you got the binos too. Ouch. Well, let's try going back to sleep again. I reset all the traps.
Oh, okay. Did the big spiky ones go off?
No, they just came in through that other entrance.
Backside. Okay. And then we have these solar panels that we don't know what to do with.
Well, it's electricity essentially. I just didn't go about like setting them up. I think they were very necessary. Besides
Every time I
lighting.
save, it puts my gun away.
I was just going to sleep.
Well, I try to save before I sleep just in case.
Oh, yeah, that's fair.
Or I'll break it. Okay. You wanna go to the beach?
Yes.
Where art thou?
I was telling Joe to stay here. So to get himself
Because he does
killed.
always follow us. He follows us out.
Make sure you drink your water.
Oh yeah, you're right. Damn it, I gotta come back and drink.
That's not ready. Eat your food. If you got any.
Oh. Did you just eat raw meat?
Oh, no, no.
No?
I ate the last dried meat.
Oh, okay.
Hop on the go-kart when you're ready.
Okay. Coming out the door.
Oh,
Whoa.
you launch yourself.
That was fun. Just feels like an extra high jump.
Yeah.
Like in Mario.
I'm surprised it kills raccoons.
So much faster to go in the go-kart.
Oh, yeah, that's for sure.
Take like half the day to get down to the fucking beach before.
Oh, I know. It's like right next to us, too. Or it was right next to us.
I love these spicy chips so much.
They're alright. Honestly, I'm
Really
not
good.
too much of a chip person. I think it's
Chips are like my favorite snack.
tots though. I like
Do
tots.
you like hash browns too?
Yeah. I think the McDonald's ones are the best, in my opinion. Like
They're
a
really good with
fresh,
their with their breakfast burritos.
yeah.
I've never really liked salty stuff with something sweet, but hash browns with jelly is really good.
Oh, interesting.
You should try it because I'm not I'm not a sweet meat like sweet and salty. I'm usually averted to,
Oh, huh.
so I think it's good, and it tastes
Okay.
really good with burritos too.
Gotcha.
Oh, they're oysters. That's right.
I came here to get batteries because we need batteries, but there's also ammunition too.
Do you see any turtles? You think they're on the
No,
other side?
we'll go to the other side of the beach here in a second.
Okay.
Just loot and scoot, loot and scoot. Grab
I'm
all the
surprised
food
we
too.
hadn't found any other like people that could be part of the team,
Well,
especially after we
we
accidentally killed that.
did, yeah, but that was the
Well, I was
last
surprised there's
person.
nobody else besides her.
Yeah. Uh-oh, there's a grenade. Got flashbacks there for a second.
You want to have a clear flashback?
No. I'm a
Be
little
extra
worried.
bright and loud. Put you back in the mindset.
Be like, woo. Please no. I did not hit that. I think he was trying to pick up that starfish right there. Ready to head to the other side of the other side of the beach.
Yep. I get distracted too.
Get some more. I know. I know.
Okay, you don't have to agree. You don't have to agree.
We're burning daylight. Dang damn it.
Wonder if it's like a set amount of days to the next season.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I think they're like 12-day rotations. I would assume. No, I'm ready for you. I'm ready to play Subnautica 2. I've been playing Subnautica 1 a lot, right? It's not like super spooky, but it's fun.
It just would be scary being in the dark underwater. It's
Oh
like a whole
yeah,
different
it
type
definitely is.
of
It's a different type of spooky. That's for sure. We'll hop. Oh, we're not there yet. Hop back in.
oh,
Hop back in.
I'm trying to think claustrophobic type of situation. That's what I'm thinking of, like claustrophobia.
Yeah, I
Instead of being in the
just.
caves, being under the water.
Yeah. I just unlocked the submarine. And so now I can go deeper. There's ways to make it so it doesn't, it's not co-op. Ah! Oh my
Parkour.
gosh. I'm gonna have to get out and push. I got it. Help. Help. Stuck. Okay.
We might have to turn it over. Oh,
There
no,
we go.
Got it.
Yeah. You kind of just pushed it over. I was stuck. But yeah, I wish it was co-op, but it's not, unfortunately. All right, loot and scoot. More batteries. Perfect. We need the batteries. And
I always
players.
find arrows that I'm not gonna use.
Yeah, I know. Same here, though.
What I found? A grenade. Watch out. Ooh, another one.
Okay. I'm all full up on batteries.
I keep finding a lot of that printer stuff.
Oh, yeah. I haven't found the printer stuff. I actually found a solar panel on the thing.
Definitely
And I'm
need
all full
more
up on printer
layers.
stuff now.
See new turtles coming up? Sometimes
No.
it takes a minute for them to show up.
Yeah, from spawn in. I know there's something down... There's this little area down here, too. Like this little crux area. It's kind of hidden.
Oh, around the rocks.
Yeah, somewhere over here.
I love that my character can just run on the rocks and not trip and fall.
Yeah, I mean, we're special forces guys, right? So it makes sense. Oh yeah, rope. As rope and like bottles, no food. Food, watch.
Watches are good to make the sticky bombs.
Oh yeah? Oh, heads up.
Oh, damn. Red guys, too.
Well, he died really quick. Nice shot. A little close, man. Ow. Golly. Try to block him.
Damn it.
I think you missed.
Okay. Do you want me to help you, or do you want me to just let you get eaten? It won't let me load the gun again.
Do you have any more ammo?
I'm pretty sure I do have a lot of ammo. Or will it only let me load when I'm out?
I wish there's a better way. I wish you could make ammo, honestly. I think that's what this game is missing. Like, at least towards the end stages of the game, you should be able to make it. And not rely on RNG.
Where do they even run off to?
Oh, I got him. I shot him. I should try... Where's the
Turtles,
crossbow?
where are you?
I wouldn't worry about the turtles, hon.
They just don't come around very often. And then they're completely gone in the winter.
I think it's about to be winter, actually. You ready? What are you doing?
I was trying to see if it would let me reload. I still have ammo. I don't know.
Alright. We gotta go pretty far, if you recall.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is that the one where you have to go over the bridge?
Yep. All the way over there. It's a long drive. I'd rather do it in the daytime, so we don't get helplessly lost.
Yeah. The trees.
And then have to fight off the cannibals at night. That would be hellish. I'd rather not do that and lose all our armor before we get there.
Mhm. But
Oop. There's got to be a lot of people that live. I like how you hit them and they just explode. All their limbs fall off.
just out for a stroll.
Yeah. Trying to follow the road the best I can while looking at the map. This way. And this way. Up, down, left, right. Left, left, right.
You've
Go
gotten pretty
kart.
good at the.
Yeah. Definitely took some practice. You say that. Alright. Where's this taking us? Over here? This is where we need to go.
Well, I'm not one to complain because I would get us very lost.
Helplessly lost. And plus, the roads aren't like... They're more so overgrown trails, honestly. It's a little tough to discern sometimes.
It's like when we're in Cameron Park.
Yeah,
Sometimes it looks like a trail, but then it's not.
exactly. Well, we need to go up there. We need to cut right somehow.
To that other cross
This other road. Yeah, up here. This is where we gotta go. It's up here.
Where's that ridge? Oh, it's the rock. Oh, we get up there.
Can we get up there? No, we're definitely not getting up there. I think we're stuck. Dang it.
Oh.
Push! No!
Um,
You're supposed to stay in there! No! Right into,
stay in there.
right into a cannibal camp.
Watch out! Watch out!
Yeah. Get in! Get in! Get in! Oh my gosh.
Oh, guess what? I'm out of ammo. Now it lets me. Oh no, someone got me.
Oh, this crossbow is not that good, huh?
There's a lot. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them.
This crossbow is not that good. I ain't gonna lie. Eee! Yeah, eat that.
I keep putting my gun away.
You're just gonna make me fight all of them, huh?
I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to put more... I was trying to put more ammo in the gun, but that doesn't look like it's working. So... I'll just have to figure that out later. Where is she?
Kill him.
Man. Where's the other one? Because I hear one.
Alright, back in the go-kart.
I don't know if I just am completely out of ammo or if I did it wrong.
Probably completely out of ammo.
Oh, okay. I have a whole bunch of other ammo that's supposed to go to, I guess, a different gun.
Gotta go down here. And we gotta go left from here.
Careful of the moose. It'll chase you.
Oh, I know it.
That was so funny. Was
I
not
know.
expecting it to like get revenge.
It is pretty crazy.
Are you good on your armor?
Yeah. They hit me a couple times.
I think I have some bones if you need some.
Oh, well, I'm sure we'll find some. So we gotta go up here. And hit this road and take a left.
Blueberries.
Alright, come on. Come on. I think this is a trail. Sounds like we got a flat tire.
Hmm.
Alright. Nope, that's not the road. This is the road. Alright.
The road to El Dorado.
El Dorado is such a good movie, though. A classic. Classic. Kids nowadays wouldn't understand.
It's like, well, the kiddo I'm with, since he's a boy, it's one of the boy movies I put on for him.
Yeah.
That, Tarzan, Aladdin, Brother Bear, Treasure Planet.
Yeah.
Treasure Planet's really good.
Gotta go. It's a branch off right somewhere up here.
What other boy movies do you think?
Uh,
Tarzan.
well, let's see. Like Treasure Planet. That's a good one. There's another one. I forget what it's called. It has an interesting name. But it is an early 2000s movie. It's sci-fi. It's like
Sci-fi.
it's made around time as Treasure Planet. It's like Xeno V or something like that.
Hmm.
But it's that one was pretty good too. We'll probably have to get out and swap golf carts. This one's
Ran
almost
out
out
of-
of battery.
Yeah.
It's just surprising. We never had to do that.
I thought that they stayed charged pretty well because of the, what you call it on the roof. That looked
They
different.
do. Usually. Got it. I saw it. Swap! So now we gotta cut right.
In the winter, what if we look for deer and moose?
Yeah.
And doesn't it let you use their hides for like warmth or something?
I don't know.
I feel like it
It's a great
should.
question.
I know I saw some stuff that they did with the deer hides. I don't know about the moose. Moose is harder to get.
Oh, this is a dead end. Hold up. Let me console the map. Or is this where we launch ourselves off the edge? This is where we launch ourselves off the edge.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go! Oh.
Are you?
Woo! Whoop.
Oh my goodness.
Not as clean. Stuck the landing.
Nice land. Yeah, I was about to say nice landing.
It's bottom heavy, so the balance on it's perfect. Oh, whoops. Hey there.
Oh, oh! You just crawled right out from under us.
Oh, he's dead now.
Oh,
He's a goner. Well, that tree's not a
it's like
goner.
Vans when you wear Vans. Is that a flag over there?
Yeah, we've been over there.
Oh, that's that other little settlement thing
Yeah,
with
it's the encampment.
Okay.
That's the mercenary encampment that we went to. We gotta go this way though. This is the golf course.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha. That's
Where all the posh people golf at before they turn into
hoity-toity.
cannibals. Oh,
Oh
we
my
might be in
gosh.
trouble.
Run.
Oh, God dang it. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out.
Where are they at?
Everywhere.
Oh, there's one with the freaking
I know.
thing. Oh no.
I got him.
I lost my weapon.
Oh. I think I got him. Did you pick your weapon up, at least?
Like it put it away.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I thought you dropped it. I thought you dropped it.
No, there's one running up here.
Well, we did quick work of them.
Well, you did.
That's teamwork thing, man. I can't take all the credit. Get out of this little rut. Okay. Hop in when you're ready. They knocked me out of the cart. I don't know if they did that to you, but they knocked me out
They
completely.
started to attack and then I jumped out. But when I
Oh.
jumped out, I didn't have my axe ready. So I
Ow. Yeah.
so I grabbed. I don't
That's the
know
best
if
way to
that'll
do
work.
it, honestly. Oh, there's another.
I remember there's gonna be a lot that are gonna attack us across the bridge, though.
Yeah. That is facts. Come on, golf cart. Come on. I could do it. Trusty. Trusty golf cart.
You'd think they'd get stuck a lot more.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh, he split in half.
Oh, I know. So satisfying. The golf cart is honestly probably the best weapon in this game. Golly, there's a lot out today. Oh, missed.
Oh, you got me.
Well, we got him. Oh, we're snagged. We're snagged. Oh,
Careful.
he's got a spear!
Here.
Ah, he's sticking out at me. I'm getting out. For that, on for size. Like a burial site.
I can't take your spear. I've got full spears.
I don't know, he has a lot of spears.
He is ready.
I'm trying to get us there without losing all this armor, but
The crosses, like the.
I know. Tell me about it.
You can run from first end, but you can't run over like a little
Yeah, a
stick in the
little
ground.
dinky cross.
The power of Christ.
Oh God. A little too fast. A little too hot. So it says we can cross here. Yep, let's give it. Already stuck. I got it. Already stuck. Oh, oh. I thought we lost it. I thought we lost the golf cart.
It started to float.
Yeah. Like started to skid. Like the current was taking it away. What's down here since we're over here? It's a little blue. Oh my gosh.
Just because we're going downhill.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Well, there's a little.
Like an encampment down here, or like a little blue mark that I want to figure out what it is.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
Whoa,
And he's dead. He's gonna die on us.
They always die.
Oh, they have like a little. They have look a little what's it called? A little hut.
Instead of a tent.
Yeah. Little encampment, huh? Doesn't look like anything good here, though. This is it. I came down here for this. Yeah, Lee.
Rope, I guess. Some mushrooms.
Yeah, this seems like just about it.
Where's the ammo?
That's unfortunate. I told you don't use all your ammo.
I like to shoot them, though. It's the most satisfying way to kill them.
Oh, I know. Up and or get jumped.
I feel like I'm too slow with the axe.
There's another
When
spot
I aim
down
and
there.
shoot them and then they go down, I'm like, oh, yes.
There's another spot on
Are
the
you using-
beach.
What type of gun is me? Like the shotgun?
Oh no, I'm using the handgun.
Handgun.
Yeah, the pistol.
Okay.
You don't have the pistol because you dropped it in the in the ocean.
Let's go back out into the ocean. Maybe I better get another one.
I don't know if those respawn necessarily. They might.
I'd rather have more ammo with the shotgun. Oh,
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen, hun. Let's not get stuck, please. Oh, get back in the cart.
oh my god.
Yep, I got him.
There's another one.
Into the cart.
Okay. In the cart.
Into the cart.
I don't like because they climb up the damn trees and then they jump off. That's how the first one got me.
I know. We're on their home turf. You look. Literally their home turf.
Drive through their tents. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
With us making a base camp, does that make us colonizers?
Oh my gosh.
The answer to that is yes.
Well,
There's a road that goes to this. It's right up here.
left or the right?
I think it's right. Yeah, I think it's right.
It's a big spider web.
Yeah. Oh, I hear babies.
Oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot there were babies on the road there.
Yeah. I wonder what type of humans the babies would have to be. Like, are they actual kids, or they spawn of the cannibals after the change?
I feel like they spawned after the change.
Mm.
That's why there's so many of them.
Mm.
But, and why they fling themselves. Otherwise, I feel like they'd die or be eaten. But I don't know.
Yeah, same.
That's just his section.
Go this way. Oh, we took a different route this time.
The lake looks so pretty.
Oh yeah. Pretty good base spot. We get across. And back on instantly. Got jumped here last time.
Yeah, we did. I think they're like a little further in. Cause last time they started coming out after we like were looking around.
Yeah.
They're there. No, that's a deer. I hear him though.
Oh, I hear him too.
Bambi.
His sacrifice will not be in vain. The cannibals will go after him.
Eventually, that helicopter will help us.
No. No. I think that was a triple kill.
That was.
I don't know if I got the last one, but I'm not sticking around to find out. Let's go, 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 go!
Okay. Right as it gets dark. You did good timing.
I know, but I don't want to be out there at night. Honestly.
Ah.
Let me pop the flashlight. Nice.
Same.
Oh yeah, it's her base. We can save here. Well, that's a big growl. You hungry or something? You ready? We can finally get in here. Nice.